All right, the fire started. You can see the smoke starting to appear. You guys know about this fire? If this is in your house yet? You do now. What does that sound? That's a smoke detector. What are you supposed to do? Get out of the house. I want you to remember three things. Get out, stay out, and shut the door. Get out of the house, stay out, and if you can, shut that door. I'm sorry, the side of the chair is on fire, but everything inside of this room has to get hot enough for it to burn. So as things heat up inside of this room, the chair, the table, the newspapers are starting to get hot. And as soon as they get hot enough, they're going to light on fire. So we're going to see some phenomena with fire protection here. Take a look at the black smoke, and it's starting to drop lower and lower and lower. In about, I would say, 2 more minutes, this smoke's going to drop almost all the way down to the floor. And we're going to have these other chairs just is going to spontaneously catch on fire. That's what we call a flashover. At some point, maybe 2 minutes, everything in this room will be consumed by the fire. Take a look at the way that the smoke's coming out. Okay? Alright, so this chair on the left is just going to catch on fire. Watch. Here it comes. Alright, at this point, everything inside of this room is on fire. That's fast and that's powerful. That's 5 minutes from the fire started. At this point, you've called 911. Now we're on our way. We're going to come fight this fire. It takes a little bit of time for us to get there. But at this point, you want us there to put this fire out. So our guys arrived in our fire truck, and we're going to stretch our hose, which we've done. And this hose is going to discharge somewhere around 200 gallons of water a minute. All right, go ahead, fellas. All right, let's start the clock. The fire started. We hear the smoke detector going off. What are we going to do? 3 things. Get out, stay out, shut the door. My sprinkler head's not going to go off right now, right? Of course not. It's got to wait till it gets hot at the ceiling. 155 degrees. So the fire's going to behave in the same exact way. It's going to burn up the side of the chair. It wants to catch these drapes on fire. And it wants to travel to the ceiling, just like our other room. They behave the same way. The couch and the chairs are still made out of the same material. Alright, what just happened now is the sprinkler head just went off. It got hot enough at the ceiling, 155 degrees, that caused that sprinkler head to go off. Now I'm putting water directly on the fire 2 minutes and 30 seconds after it started. It will never get to this situation.